Looking to future-proof your woodworking shop? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 table saws of 2025 that combine power, precision, and safety for the modern woodworker. Let's dive in. We begin with the DEWALT DWE7491R S10-inch Jobsite table saw, widely considered the best overall option for contractors and hobbyists alike. This model offers a robust 15-amp motor capable of slicing through hardwoods with ease. Its standout feature is the rack and pinion fence system, which allows for smooth, accurate fence adjustments. A game changer for those working on fine cabinetry or detailed furniture pieces. The saw's rip capacity of 32.5 inches gives it the versatility to handle larger sheet goods like plywood or MDF. What really sets the DWE7491R apart is its mobile rolling stand, which is both sturdy and easy to collapse for transport or storage. It's built for the job site but refined enough for garage workshops, making it a smart choice for users who value durability, portability, and cutting precision in one package. Next is the Bosch GTS1031 portable job site table saw, an excellent benchtop model for those who need compact performance. Despite its smaller footprint, the GTS1031 doesn't compromise on capability. It features a 4-horsepower motor and a steel base that can handle tough workloads. Its all-steel construction ensures long-term durability, while the unique one-handed carry handle makes it ideal for contractors or DIYers who frequently move between work areas. It comes with Bosch's trademark Smart Guard system for improved visibility and safety, as well as onboard storage for accessories. While its rip capacity is more modest than larger units, this saw excels in tight workspaces and is perfect for trim carpentry, flooring jobs, or light cabinetry work. For raw cutting power, the Skilsaw SPT99-11 worm drive table saw stands in a league of its own. This is the powerhouse of the group, featuring a worm drive motor that delivers 4.4 horsepower, more than enough torque for hardwoods, pressure-treated lumber, or dense composite materials. The SPT99-11 also includes a 30.5-inch rip capacity and a dual-field motor that runs cooler, extending tool life and efficiency. It's built with job site ruggedness in mind, thanks to its solid construction and 16-inch wheels that make it easy to roll over uneven terrain. It's heavier and more expensive than most other models, but for professional woodworkers or serious enthusiasts who demand performance, the Skilsaw is a top-tier investment. On the cutting edge of safety is the SawStop JSS 120A60 job site table saw, which brings revolutionary technology to portable woodworking. The patented SawStop safety system detects skin contact with the blade and stops it instantly, potentially preventing life-altering injury. But this saw isn't just about safety. It includes premium build quality, a T-glide fence for accuracy, excellent dust collection, and a quick change blade system. Though it's pricier than other models in its class, the peace of mind it offers makes it worth considering, especially for schools, shared workshops, or solo users who prioritize safety without sacrificing capability. Rounding out the list is the Flex FX 7221-1J 10-inch cordless table saw, a glimpse into the future of mobile woodworking. Powered by a 24-volt battery platform, this saw gives you cordless freedom with surprising strength. It features a rack and pinion fence, integrated LED-lit guide, and compatibility with Flex's smart battery technology, which balances power and efficiency depending on the load. For professionals working in remote locations or those who prefer clean setups without extension cords, the FX7221-1J offers both convenience and performance. While it may not yet replace corded saws for every application, it's a clear step forward in job site innovation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more expert reviews and insights to help you build smarter, faster, and safer with the best tools available.